Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your brand's reputation with American Express. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding your brand's reputation is the first step to improvement. Start by assessing your current reputation using online tools. Google your brand and note the first few pages of results. Review the comments and feedback on social media platforms. Next, create a strategy for engagement with customers. Use American Express's insights to understand their customer base. Analyze user reviews to identify common concerns. Address any negative feedback directly and transparently. Respond promptly to customer inquiries to build trust. Utilize American Express's marketing tools for promotional campaigns. Highlight customer testimonials in your advertising materials. Leverage social media to showcase your brand's positive attributes. Create engaging content that reflects your brand values. Consider partnering with influencers to reach a wider audience. Monitor online conversations about your brand regularly. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and market trends. Lastly, continually evaluate your brand's reputation over time. Implement changes driven by customer insights to maintain stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.